Welcome to Notes About Notes, a podcast exploring perfume's practical, social, political, cultural, and commercial walks of life. We look at what these mean for you and other perfume lovers. Today's blog post is titled, A Perfume Guide for Your Gender Reveal Party. Gender reveal parties are joyous occasions that bring friends and family together to celebrate the impending arrival of a new family member. The right fragrance helps set the right tone, be this extravagant or low-key, and creates a shared sense of identity and community belonging. Whether you're hosting or attending, this perfume guide will help you navigate choosing and styling scents and how to gift or use perfume in a gender reveal. This guide will also share how to safely and responsibly use perfume in a gender reveal. Shopping for the perfect gender reveal party fragrance. While you can wear whatever scent you want, today isn't just about you. It's about the baby. As host, it's also about the comfort and understanding of your guests. As a guest, you need to respect the quirks and boundaries of your host. Understanding the event's atmosphere and setting. Outdoor celebrations. Outdoor gender reveals, often held in gardens or backyards, call for light, fresh fragrances that blend well with nature. Consider perfumes with notes of fresh florals, green leaves, or citrus fruits. These scents are invigorating and harmonize with the open-air setting. Indoor gatherings. For an indoor event, a subtler fragrance may be less distracting to ambience. If hosting an indoor gender reveal, a HVAC diffuser may offer finer control of the sensory experience and comfort. Fragrances with notes of vanilla, amber, or sandalwood create a welcoming ambience, enhancing the warmth and intimacy of the gathering. Fragrance families suitable for gender reveal parties. Cultural norms and associations around perfume and gender vary widely across the world, as well as generationally. What smells girly to you may smell masculine to someone else, which can impact how your baby's gender reveal is interpreted. When buying perfume as a gift for a gender reveal, try to take your host's understanding of gender into account. If the host's understanding of gender is a traditional one, or they were trying for a girl or boy, it may be best to choose a more traditionally masculine or feminine scent. If your host has been anxious or superstitious about the pregnancy, a gender-neutral scent may be the way to go. Your host may also prefer a gender-neutral scent if visuals are the main focus of the reveal. If you're hosting the gender reveal and a wide range of social groups will be in attendance, consider a more well-known scent to communicate your baby's gender. A visual or food component can draw on additional senses to communicate gender. Each fragrance families can be found in all genders of perfume. However, two fragrance families lean towards binary in the West. Floral, feminine. Though universally appealing, floral fragrances are generally seen as more feminine in the West. Geranium, jasmine, and rose spring to mind. These scents are soft, elegant, and perfect for celebrating new beginnings. Woody, masculine. Woody fragrances are grounding and comforting. They are generally seen as more masculine in the West. Perfumes with cedarwood, vetiver, or patchouli notes can evoke a sense of nostalgia and togetherness, making them ideal for evening events or cooler weather gatherings. Occasion-specific perfume choices. Daytime parties. For daytime gender reveal parties, especially those held outdoors, light and airy scents are best. These perfumes are refreshing and won't become overpowering in the sun. Evening celebrations. Evening events, particularly those held indoors, can benefit from richer, more intense fragrances. These scents can leave a lasting impression and add a touch of elegance to the evening. Gifting perfume for a gender reveal party. Thoughtful fragrance gifts. Personalized scents. Personalized perfumes are a fantastic gift idea, allowing your host to create a scented legacy unique to their child. Look for options that allow you to customize the label or blend a unique scent tailored to the recipient's preferences. This personal touch makes the gift even more special and memorable. Unisex fragrances. Given the nature of a gender reveal party, unisex fragrances can be a great choice. These scents are versatile and can be enjoyed by anyone, making them a thoughtful and inclusive gift. Perfume gift sets. Perfume gift sets are a luxurious gift option. Sets that include matching body powders, shower gels, or mini travel sprays provide a comprehensive fragrance experience. They are perfect for new parents who love to layer their scents. Presentation and packaging tips. Elegant presentation. Select perfumes that come in beautifully designed bottles and packaging. The visual appeal of the gift can enhance the overall experience. Customized wrapping. Add a personal touch to your gift with custom wrapping. Use wrapping paper that reflects the theme of the party or colors associated with the gender reveal, such as pink, blue, or neutral tones. Scented styling tips for a gender reveal party. Effective perfume application techniques. Pulse points. Apply perfume to pulse points such as the wrists, neck, and behind the ears. These areas emit heat, helping to diffuse the fragrance throughout the day. Layering scents. Enhance the longevity of your fragrance by layering it with complementary scented body lotions or oils. This technique ensures that your scent lasts throughout the event. Hair mist. Lightly spritzing perfume on your hair can create an alluring and long-lasting scent. Hair holds fragrance well and will release it subtly as you move. Balancing fragrance with the occasion. Subtle application. For intimate family gatherings, it's best to apply perfume subtly. This ensures that your scent is pleasant and not overpowering to those around you. Complementing the atmosphere. Choose a fragrance that complements the event's ambience. For instance, a fresh, green scent for an outdoor garden party or a warm, spicy fragrance for a cozy indoor gathering. Coordinating perfume with outfits. Matching colors. Harmonize your fragrance with the colors of your outfit. For example, floral scents pair well with pastel outfits, while citrus fragrances match vibrant, bold colors. Seasonal scents. Select perfumes that align with the season of the event. Fresh, green notes are perfect for spring. A citrus or aquatic scent may be perfect for summer, while warm and spicy scents are ideal for autumn and winter. Safe and responsible use of perfume in a gender reveal. Flammability. Under no circumstances should any host or attendee at a gender reveal bring or use explosive or incendiary devices without expert training and express permission. These have cost lives and caused millions in damage. Oils and alcohols in perfume are highly flammable, presenting risk of flash fires and explosion when exposed to heat or flame. This includes lighters and flame heaters. If these must be used, ensure that alcohol-based perfumes are kept well away from source and that the space is well ventilated. HVAC perfume diffusers must use oil-based perfumes. Again, ensure the space is well ventilated. Allergies and toxicity. Perfumes can be toxic in large amounts or from bad suppliers. Wear or gift perfumes or dupes that have been independently assessed for cosmetic safety and stability. In the UK and EU, your label should list each perfume ingredient. If based in the EU, perfumes don't require testing by the FDA before going on the market. If you can afford it, import from the UK/EU or commission a perfume from designers in these regions independently. For the perfume gender reveal, don't mix perfume with food or drink. Use scent sparingly and keep the space well ventilated to prevent asthma attacks, allergic reactions, nausea, and migraines. Conclusion. A gender reveal party is a time to celebrate new beginnings. Perfume can play a role in enhancing these moments. That's it for today. You can support this podcast by subscribing or leaving a 5-star review. You can support our perfumery at sealyandcouch.co.uk. That's CELIE and couch.co.uk. Warm wishes wherever and whenever you're listening.